Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Capacity Building Workshop on Energy and Environment Management Systems held at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Contract workers awarded under Instant Recognition Scheme at SAIL RSP. And RSP Shuttle Cup 3-day badminton tournament for employees of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant concludes. Now the news in details. In a step towards achieving responsible steel certification, SAIL's Rourkela Steel Plant RSP, in collaboration with Mrs. Bureau Veritas, successfully organized a 3-day capacity building workshop at the Design Department Conference Hall from 22nd to 25th March 2025. The workshop aimed at guiding various departments in setting energy and environment management systems, EMS and ENMS, objectives for the financial year 2025 to 26. Mr. Rakesh Verma, GM, BE, IED and HA, presided over the session. Present on the occasion were Mr. Aurobindo Mohanty, GM, BE, and Mr. Shekhar Das Gupta, resource person from Mrs. Veritas India. In all, 55 participants from 36 departments of works area of RSP, along with representatives from Learning and Development (L&D) and Materials Management (MM) departments attended the workshop. The sessions incorporated a detailed interactive discussion through presentation and exercise took place to acclimatize the participants about the detailed requirement of EMS and ENMS systems. Then, the representatives were guided and assisted to finalize EMS and ENMS objectives for the respective department. Mr. Aurobindo Mohanty delivered the welcome address and coordinated the program along with Business Excellence team. Notably, the preparatory sessions are meant to prepare RSP for the upcoming certification of ISO 14001 Environmental Management System and ISO 5001 Energy Management System for the entire works area for aligning the plant's operational practices with global sustainability standards. Contract workers engaged in new plate mill area of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant were awarded under Instant Recognition Scheme of the plant. In a function organized on 25th March 2025, Mr. R.K. Bisare, CGM and PM and SPP handed over the awards to 25 contract workers for their outstanding contributions to production, maintenance and close inspection to achieve the target. Mr. Avakash Behera, GM Safety, Mr. Gyana Ranjan Das, GM CLC Town Project and Medical, Dr. Prashant Kumar Padhi, GM SPP, Mr. R.S. Sharma, GM Operation, NPM and Mr. Sudhankar Subramanyam, GM Mechanical, NPM were present on the occasion. Addressing the gathering, the senior executives reiterated the organization's commitment to achieving a zero-harm workplace by promoting a robust safety culture and adhering to best safety practices. The program was coordinated by Suman Kumar, Senior Manager and DSO, NPM. A similar function was organized at the Public Relations Department on 27th March 2025, in which Mrs. Archana Satpathy, GM PR and COC presented Instant Recognition Awards to 3 contract workers of Mrs. Vinod Studio engaged in the Department of Photography and Videography. Ms. Lolati Topo, AGM PR Rajbhasa, Mr. Soumya Biswal, Manager PR, Mr. Bharat Mohanta, and Mr. Vigyan Patra, both Deputy Manager HR, CLC and other officers and employees of PR department were present on the occasion. A 3-day badminton tournament, RSP Shuttle Cup for the employees of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant concluded on 27th March 2025 at the Indoor Stadium, Sector 20. Mr. Alok Verma, Director in charge Rourkela Steel Plant, was the chief guest in the concluding ceremony and presented awards and trophies to the winners. Mr. A.K. Behuria, ED FNA, Mr. B.R. Palai, ED Works, Mr. Anil Kumar, ED MM, Mr. S. Pal Chaudhary, ED Projects, many CGMs and other senior officers of the plant were present on the occasion. Speaking on this occasion, Mr. Verma conveyed his best wishes to each of the participants and encouraged all to foster a healthy sporting team spirit during the tournament. He also highlighted the importance of such events which bring people together and strengthens the teamwork. In the under 45 women's singles category, Nibidita Behra, manager and PM, was the champion of the tournament, while Ms. Sharmishta Pal, OCT, Projects and Modernization, was the runner-up. Similarly, in the above 45 women's singles category, Ms. Shanti Kumari, DGM Power Distribution, was the champion, while Ms. Ranjit Kaur, Senior Executive Assistant HR Medical, was the runner-up. In the under 45 men's single category, Mr. Naveen Rajavarapu, Senior Manager and PM, was the champion, while Mr. NMK Swami, AGM Coke Ovens, was the runner-up of the event. Similarly, above 45 men's single category, Mr. Bibudatta Mishra, GM SMS2, was the champion of the tournament, while Mr. Viswaranjan Pallai, ED Works, was the runner-up. In the women's double under 45 category, the team comprising Ms. Rita Murmu, Manager Hot Strip Mill 2, and Ms. Divya Dash, AGM CCW, were the winners, while the team of Ms. Ipshita Sahu, ACT BOM, and Ms. Suman Yogesh, ACT PD, finished as the runner-up. Similarly, men's doubles above 45 category, the team comprising Dr. Manoj Kumar Pradhan, Additional CMO Medical, and Mr. Sunil Behera, Senior Ward Attendant Medical, were the winners, while the team of Mr. Ramesh Chandra Pasayat, Senior Executive Assistant Projects and Modernization, and Mr. Ramesh Chandra Behera, Senior Manager Coke Oven, the runner-up. In the men's double under 45 category, the team comprising MD Rashid, Senior Technician TNRM, and Mr. Tapas Swine, Technician BF, were the winners, while the team of Mr. K.D. Saha, Field Mechanic Operator BIM, and Mr. Bijay Munda, OCT BIM, finished as the runner-up. The tournament was coordinated by Mr. J.P. Mishra, GM PHSNW, Mr. S. Badpanda, GM HR, Mr. R. Padhi, Deputy Manager Sports, Dr. Satyanarayana Mishra, Senior Manager Horticulture, anchored the concluding ceremony. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.